Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. I am Joycey, your maths teacher. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at your home. Do you study maths every day? Yes, you have to practice more problems. So today we will discuss how to add three one-digit numbers. We learn how to add two numbers. We learn the method of forward counting and addition by making a group of 10, etc. So today we are going to learn how to add three one-digit numbers. Are you ready, children? Have you seen these things before? Yes, these are building blocks. Right, children? Here I have two red blocks. That is 2. And 4 yellow blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 green blocks. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to find out the total number of blocks. See, 4 yellow blocks, 3 green blocks and 2 red blocks. How do you find out the total number? Yes, to find the total number of blocks, we have to add the number of blocks. Let us learn how to add these numbers. Here we have 4 yellow blocks, 2 red blocks and 3 green blocks. We have to find out the total number of blocks. I told you to find the total number of blocks, we have to add these three numbers. That is, we have to add 4, 2 and 3. So we can write 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to dash. How do you add these three numbers? We learn how to add two numbers. So, first we will add the first two numbers. That is 4 and 2. Tell me, children, what will be the answer when we add 4 and 2? That is 4 plus 2 is equal to? We will keep the number 4 in mind, 2 in hand. After 4, 5, 6. So, we get 6. Then, we have to add the third number with the sum of first two numbers. That is, we have to add 3 with 6. That is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to? How do you find out the answer? Yes, we will keep 6 in mind, 3 in hand. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we get the answer 9. That is, the total number of blocks is 9. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9. Let us understand this with more example. The first one, 2 plus 1 plus 5. Here we have to add three numbers, that is 2, 1 and 5. How do you add these three numbers? Yes. First we will add the first two numbers, that is 2 and 1. If we add 2 and 1, we will get 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. What is the next step? Yes, we have to add the third number with the sum of first two numbers. What do we mean by the sum? Yes, sum is the answer of addition. If we add 2 and 1, we will get one answer. That answer is called sum. Here, the sum of first two numbers is 3. So, we have to add the third number with the sum of first two numbers. That is 3 plus 5 is equal to? What will be the answer when we add 3 and 5? Yes, we will keep 5 in mind, 3 in hand. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we get the answer 8. So, we can write 2 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 8. Here, we add the first two numbers, then add the third number with the sum of first two numbers. We can choose one more method, that is, we can add the last two numbers. Which are the last two numbers? 5 and 1. So, this is the method 1. in method 2, we can add the last two numbers first, that is 1 and 5. If we add 1 and 5, we will get 6. Then add the first number with the sum of last two numbers. What is the sum of last two numbers? 6. So, we add the first number with the sum of last two numbers is equal to, that is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And here we get the answer 8. The first method also we get the answer 8. In the first method, we add the first two numbers. In the second method, we add last two numbers. We can choose one more method, that is, we can add the first number and the last number. Then add the second number with the sum of first and last numbers. In the third method, we can add the first and last number, that is 2 and 5. Tell me children, what is the answer when we add 2 and 5? 7. Then add the second number with the sum of first and last number. What is the sum of first and last number? 7. So we can add 7 plus 1. That's also equal to 8. So children, to add 3 numbers, add any 2 numbers first, then add the third number to the sum. I hope you have understood how to add 3 numbers. Let us solve one more example. 2 plus 4 plus 1. How do you do this? Yes, first we add first 2 numbers, that is 2 and 4. What will be the answer when we add 2 and 4? Yes, we will get 6. Then add the third number to the sum, that is 6 plus 1. What will be the answer? 7. That is 2 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 7. We arrange the numbers horizontally. We can arrange the numbers vertically. Let us listen. How do you arrange numbers vertically? Yes. We write numbers one below the other. See, 2 plus 4 plus 1. Here also we will add the first 2 numbers, that is 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Then we will add the third number to the sum, that is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So we will get the answer 7. Children, this is called vertical addition. I hope you have understood how to add 3 numbers. To add 3 numbers, add any 2 numbers first, then add the third number to the sum. I have attached the notes of lesson in a worksheet. You have to download the notes and copy down to your notebook, and you have to do the worksheet, that is exercise number 7 in the textbook. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.